Innovation starts with a willingness to question the status quo and to imagine a different way. Decision Zone's DADA-X platform utilizes a new computational methodology which represents a paradigm shift in how systems operate. Causal computing is needed to enable the future of autonomous agents. First, let's consider the status quo. It begins with data collection. Then the data is ingested via the message bus. The data is stored in data lakes and warehouses. Now computation can take place. Then the data is consumed, and client services supply support. But what's missing from this diagram? A sense of the enormous time, cost, and human labor required under the current paradigm. For decades, organizations have invested billions trying to achieve integration, optimization, and task automation through data-centric approaches. But this legacy architecture is failing and blocking the next wave of innovation, autonomy. Our alternative approach is a more elegant way forward. The key advantage of this event-driven model is that it aligns more closely with the natural flow of real-world processes. Instead of trying to capture and store every piece of data in a static form, it allows us to react and adapt to events as they occur, in the now. This dynamic approach allows for autonomous applications that are better equipped to handle increasing complexity and scale. Autonomous process integration, as opposed to manual or automated data manipulation, can lead to faster, more accurate decision-making. And importantly, our architecture protects the input layer by using a front-end approach that monitors the message bus. The autonomous agent can monitor and control systems in real time, providing instant visibility on business activities through an executive business dashboard. The agents live audit every system event, eliminating the need for business analysts to create reports manually. DADA-X, with its foundational principle of causality as the new computing paradigm, revolutionizes process management and system security. Causal computing changes everything. With our autonomous agents, what can now be removed from this diagram? There is no reliance on static data for decision-making with DADA-X. No data aggregation is needed. Traditional technologies rely on object-oriented approaches and massive data infrastructure. Legacy systems take live events from various systems and store them in data lakes and data warehouses. This effectively kills the real-time nature of the events by collapsing them into static records for later processing and limits their ability to handle complexity. DADA-X, on the other hand, can process these events in real time using its pattern matching capabilities. It doesn't need to force the event data into a database first. Current data-centric approaches also carry risks because a third party is responsible for capturing the intended process or activity logic, and there's no guarantee they capture the intended process correctly. By adopting the DADA-X autonomy paradigm, organizations can remove many of the components and processes required by the legacy architecture. This includes audit time batch processing, predictive modeling, algorithmic constraints, and the integration bottlenecks that come with data-centric architectures. Causal computing reduces the need for massive IT teams. And it obsoletes the old way of handling cybersecurity. By continuously monitoring system interactions against authorized process patterns, DADA-X can detect and prevent malicious activities before they cause harm. There's no need for humans to perform client support services that can be handled autonomously by the DADA-X agents. This shift saves time, money, and labor, enabling organizations to focus on innovation and growth. At Decision Zone, we are pioneering the shift to a world where machines navigate complexities with true intelligence, making the crucial leap from brittle automation to dynamic, robust applications capable of self-correcting, self-security, and making decisions in real time.